If you're watching this video, you're probably just like me and you love to travel. And what do all of us travelers have in common? How often can we travel more and how can we make it more affordable? Well, I can tell you, as someone who's been traveling for 5 years, I have wasted so much money using my traditional American SIM card plan. They have now raised the prices to $12 per day for the international day pass. You can probably figure out who I'm talking about. So today I want to introduce you to JetPack eSIM cards. They are saving me tons and tons of money because I'm able to purchase data for way cheaper. Think about it. When I was flying for 1 day to a new destination outside of the US, $12 each day. 10 days, look how much money that is, $120. With JetPack, you can get customized data plans in over 150 destinations for a much lower price and so much more flexibility. If you're a heavy data user or you're a small data user, you can buy packages that are going to fit your preference and save tons and tons of money. So over the last 5 years, I can tell you my bills would be $300 to $400. When I was just kind of lazy, like, oh, I'm gonna use my I'd be spending $350 to $400 per month. And you can see right there, that is an actual screenshot of my bill. I was way too late to the game to start using eSIMs. And let me tell you, since I've been doing it, I've been saving so much money. And you guys know, when you're in Southeast Asia, when you're in a lot of countries, South America, $300, $400 in savings can buy you weeks worth of travel. For your craziest travelers, maybe that can even buy you 3 or 4 weeks. So for me, it saves me a week or 2 weeks worth of travel expenses. Now, JetPack can be downloaded from your phone. You can open up the app and you can set up your eSIM card almost immediately. We're talking 90 seconds with a Wi-Fi connection, and I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. All right, so we just downloaded the JetPack app right here, and we are in America. It is great to be back in the land of the free. So we're gonna pop this thing right open, find ourselves a pack, and boom, we're gonna go United States of America, USA, baby. So we're gonna get ourselves a 10 gigabyte package for 30 days. Guys, this is $13 US. Do you know my normal USA plan charges me when I travel abroad $12 a day. $12 a day, and right here we got 10 gigs for 30 days for USD 13 bucks. So we're gonna proceed to purchase here. Super quick, super efficient, and well, you guys can't have my promo code because I got a free one. Redeem, give me that cash. All right, so, and boom, already I just purchased myself the data package. All right, congratulations, you have successfully taken the leap. Welcome to a new era of worry-free travel. So go to dashboard. We're getting all these emails saying it has arrived. So now all we got to do is go and install the eSIM. So literally you hit that right there. Continue, activate, continue, continue. Begin eSIM installation. Look at that, activate new eSIM. Allow this if you requested a new eSIM from your carrier. We're gonna hit allow. And right now I'm connected to another network, but you can do this on Wi-Fi. So if you just arrived to a country, you just hop on the Wi-Fi network and boom, your new eSIM JetPack is ready to activate. Let's go. Cellular setup complete. So we are literally on the network. What I personally usually do is I name it. You don't have to, you can just put it as travel. But since I travel so much, I just usually put the SIM card I get and the name of the country with a flag, just because I think it's fun to do it like that. So that's the new label. Cellular data. So you can choose the cellular data to come from this new SIM card, the JetPack SIM card, which is called USA now. This button I clicked here, allow data switching. That just means I can use from both SIM cards. I'm gonna just use it from JetPack. And then update preferred contacts. You can just use your primary line, which for me, I wanna keep my number. So I just hit update later for all this stuff. And boom, so now we are all set. So now what we'll do is we'll try out Google, make sure it works. And boom, baby, we are back in business. Welcome to Vegas. And as you guys can see, that is the eSIM process. So guys, that's how easy it was. I already have signal now that I'm here in Vegas, but whether I'm here in the US or all over the world, there's 150 destinations JetPack can set you up with a SIM card on. Now, one thing I want to mention is JetPack is different from a lot of the other eSIM companies on the market. The reason being is their offerings don't stop at eSIMs. They make the whole travel process so much better. From the second you're thinking about heading over to the airport, and getting on that plane, it already gets better. They offer what's called a JetPass. JetPass is the upgrade we didn't know we needed. It's packed with features that make travel smoother, stress-free, and way more comfortable. To start, JetPass offers discounts of over 40% on essentials like airport lounge access and fast-track security passes. That means no more endless waiting around at the boarding gate with uncomfortable seating, and you get to breeze through those long security lines. Also, with JetPass, you can unwind in style with over 1,100 lounges worldwide to choose from, creating a calm and relaxing space to work, rest, or just escape the hustle of the airport. As someone who's always on the move, I need tools that save me time, add comfort, and keep everything secure. And JetPass has me covered on all of those fronts. The lounge access alone is a lifesaver, letting me relax, recharge, and even get some work done. And it's great knowing I can sit back and focus instead of stressing over the usual airport chaos. On top of that, there's a fantastic bonus feature called Smart Delay. If my flight is delayed by an hour or more, JetPass steps in with complimentary access to a nearby lounge so I can wait in comfort. This feature really takes the edge off unexpected delays, making those extra hours at the airport much easier to manage. Another essential perk is the included VPN, which adds an extra layer of security to protect my personal data. This is a must for me since I need to upload videos and stay connected, use my bank accounts, and all different types of usage things that puts me at risk when using public Wi-Fi networks. With JetPass, I can edit and upload my videos from anywhere to everywhere without worrying about data security. If you're already using JetPack, adding JetPass is definitely worth considering. It's the ultimate travel companion, giving you more convenience, comfort, and the peace of mind every time you fly. So that's JetPack for you. Whether you want eSIMs, a VPN at the airport, lounge passes, whatever it might be, JetPack will take care of you like they've been taking care of me. Thousands of dollars per year I'm able to save by no longer using my US-based SIM card plan and switching over to eSIMs. So guys, if you want to check out JetPack, head down to the link in my description below and we'll get you set up right away so you can start saving more money and put that towards your next flight ticket or hotel in your dream destination. Thanks so much and we'll see you in the next video.